What's up guys, in today's video I'll be copying, or rather attempting to cop, the Nike SB Dunk Low in the Chunky Dunky colorway. They're releasing tonight in Australia at 6 PM on Nike Snkrs, which is about 2 hours from now. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But first, I have a few packages which came in today, which I'll be unboxing for you guys first. Let's get into it. And just before I get into this, I got some business cards made. Let's see if it's gonna focus. Alright, yeah, I got some business cards made for my reselling, which is pretty cool. Just thought I'd show you guys. Alright, let's get into these packages. We'll start with the small package. Alrighty, so I got a Kaws Uniqlo t-shirt, which I'm sure everyone has seen plenty of. But yeah, I'm not going to talk about this too much. I'll get into that because I have a video coming soon about these, and let's just say I've been getting quite a few of them. Alright, next up it looks like we have a shoebox. I'm not completely sure what these are, but we'll see. Alright, so it looks like a pair of Jordan 1s. Okay, I know what these are. And guess what they are from that wrapping? I have a pair of the Air Jordan 1 New York City to Paris. Nice. These went up in value quite a lot actually. And I got this pair for a good price, so had to pick it up. Not bad. So yeah, I'll give you a closer look of these in just a second, and then we'll get on to the next package. And the last package, which looks very big. Alright, in here I have some things from the National Gallery of Victoria, or NGV. I have the Kaws puzzles, and I think I have 5 of these, the same ones. 3 and 5, that's all. Yep, so 5 Kaws puzzles. Not bad. Now that'll do it for the unboxing. It was pretty quick. I just thought I'd unbox it since I got some packages and show you guys, because why not? And we'll see if I manage to get the Chunky Dunkies in about 2 hours for me, or about 5 seconds for you guys, off Nike Snkrs. Now, given my luck with Nike sneakers recently, which I'll show you over the past few weeks, I'm not expecting anything really from this drop, but I thought I'll just try because occasionally I hit on Nike sneakers. Yeah, here's some of my drops from earlier this week. Let's hope the bad luck doesn't continue. Let's go. Alright guys, sorry for the bad lighting because it is currently 6:57 PM and the Chunky Dunkies released at 6 o'clock. So I didn't manage to film it. The reason being I pretty much my plan was to come up here, try to copy my computer, start recording, and then, you know, see what happened. But when I got up here, my internet was not working for some reason up in my room, so I had to run downstairs, go to my next to my Wi-Fi modem, and I just tried to cop there because that's where the best Wi-Fi was. And well, this is what showed up as soon as I tried to cop, and then after refreshing and trying again and again for like what, 5-10 minutes, this is what showed up. They were sold out. Yeah, you know, not a massive surprise, but would have really liked to get them. I hope you guys can cop, you guys in America that are watching, because I'm ahead of time for you guys, so you guys would be copying tomorrow for me. And let me know if you guys cop. I didn't manage to cop. I entered some raffles for some skate shops, about 5 skate shops in my local area, so I'm hoping they will work, but you know, I'll keep you guys updated if I do manage to win a raffle. But yeah, thank you for watching. That was pretty unlucky, not really surprised, but yeah, thank you for tuning in. Peace.